All right. Good morning, OCTers. My name is Rochelle Johnson. I will be facilitating this session of the online certification training with you for the next 3 weeks, the accelerated version. So it's my job to try to equip you with what you need to know to teach on Moodle, using Moodle, our learning management system in the fall. Okay. So we are going to kind of speed through this. So I wanted to provide an overview to let you know how to maneuver through the course. Okay, so we're going to start with this is the navigation here, excuse me, on the left-hand side of the page. And this is where you will be maneuvering through the different topics that we will go over for the next 3 weeks. So we're starting with the introduction, and this is the introduction page. You will look at the video that I'm creating now. And then you're going to scroll down and basically you can pass this up, but you're going to do your video introductions and the Smarter Measure assessment. The Smarter Measure assessment is an assessment that lets your students or informs your students about how well they will do in the online environment. And the video introductions is something that every online course needs to build an online learning community. So the students get to know you and they get to know the other participants in the course. Okay, so do the video introductions and take the Smarter Measure assessment. These two are mandatory in your online course. You can update your Moodle profile if you want to, but that is not a mandatory assignment. Okay, and I do have some resources down here, but for you to look at if you get a chance to do that. Next, you're going to go to your lectures and assignments tab. Now, these are all the lectures that's in the 8-week course, but I need you to kind of briefly look through these. I need you to do the assignment. So I need you to do the test for building your online, learning community. UDL and ADA lectures are important. UDL is Universal Design for Learning. And so you need to know a little bit about each one of these when you teach an online course, but participate in the accessibility reflection. So you will need to briefly look at the UDL lectures and the ADA in order to participate in the reflection. These are mandatory, the grade book and the quiz assignments. There are videos that will show you how to do that. How are you going to do that, you ask? Well, I am going to create an empty Moodle shell for you to practice and get used to using Moodle. So you will be participating or completing these two assignments in your Moodle course shell. Basically, all of the assignments will be in your Moodle course shell, except the test and the reflection here, so that you can get used to using Moodle for the fall, right? And then this is the link to paste when you complete your gradebook and quiz assignments. This is the link where you will paste the URL and you will get the URL from up here. Okay, well, you paste the URL into this assignment link here. The next thing we're going to go over is some technology, and I have some activities here that you will complete in your final project course. And this will make sense as you go along, because as you build out your course for your final project, you will be using some of the things here. And so it will become clear as you go through the process. Okay. And then we have a final project, which I haven't put anything in here yet, but I will be moving some stuff over, but you will be completing a final project. Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, so I just wanted to give you an overview and let you know that everybody will be creating a final project course. So the activities that you are participating in for the next 3 weeks will all culminate in you creating a final project course, which will be the introduction module, and I'll get into this a little later on in the session, the orientation module, introduction module, and then 2 lesson modules. Okay, so it will look something like this. This is just one of my example courses or one of my test courses that I play around in. But some of the elements that you see here will need to be in your final project course. Okay, so I'm not trying to overwhelm you. I just want to let you know where to start. So we're going to start with the introduction. You're going to complete the video introductions and the Smarter Measure assessment. for this week. And if you want to, you can update your Moodle profile. I think there's a video in there. If not, I will make sure it's in there. Then click lectures and assignments. Complete the quiz and the reflection forum. These two are mandatory: gradebook assignment and quiz assignments. Those are mandatory, and they will be in your final project course. They will need to go in your final project course, okay? So these two are necessary, and then you're going to paste the link after you complete those assignments. You're going to paste the link here, in this link here, and then next you will go to the technology tools and working in Moodle. And this is a checklist that you will need to complete in your final project course. And of course, this is one of the links that will be in your final project course for a synchronous session. Okay, I'm going to shut my mouth now because I don't want to confuse you and overwhelm anybody. We will have some synchronous sessions just to go over and talk about what it is you need to do. I will let you know when. I have online office hours on Thursdays at 10:30. So I'll be there then. If you cannot attend the synchronous sessions, then they will be recorded. And I hope to get you all through the next 3 weeks and be able to teach and learn in Moodle. I have by now sent you a welcome email with your login information. And so, of course, if you have any questions, please email me. That information will be in the emails. And it is not here. It will be. It will be in the instructor information block over here on the left-hand side of the course. So be looking for that there. All right. Again, if you have any questions, please email me. Welcome to the course and welcome to Chicago State University. Bye now.